Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to share one wisdom story, the Metaphor Zen story. Once upon a time, there's a young man who is very interested in Buddhism and Zen. His ultimate goal, he wishes, can get the true answer about enlightenment. He also studied a lot and doing any kind of study, research about this topic and subject. And he is very confident, very good with all kind of knowledge. He also wishes he can have someone confirm his idea in his mind. So he noticed there's one old Zen master living in a remote temple in the mountain, remote from the city. And he decided he want to make a long trip and he want to visit him, seeking the answer. So one day he make this offer and finally he reached this temple. And he very eager, he want to see this master very badly. However, the old master, he got the attendant come first to greet this young man and invite him come into the master's Zen meditation room, seated. He also prepared a tea in front of the table. Then this attendant of the master finally invite the old Zen master to come out and to see this young man. This master, he got a very slim and a kind face and smiling to this young man, but he's silent. When he sit down, this young man is very eager to ask the question to this master. But this master not allow him to do so because he got a cup in front of the table. Then this master start to pouring out the tea from the teapot to his empty cup. He didn't say anything, this master. He just keep pouring out the tea to this young man's cup. This young man cannot stand anymore because he already saw that tea already overflowed and split out on the table. So he started to yell, say, "Master, please stop it. The tea is all around the table. It's wasting the tea. Why you keep pour out the tea into my teacup?" Then the master replied to this young man, said, "Now your mind just like this cup, full of the tea. How can I say any Zen to you?" So suddenly, this young man realized that, wow, that is really, really true to represent his mindset right now. Because he already full of his own expectation and assumption to seeking the answer from this old Zen master. He's not humble enough to try to put down his ego, confident about this learning progress. So finally, he feel kind of ashamed. He bowed to the Zen master, say, "Thank you for your teaching. That's a wonderful teaching I ever had before. Because you really opened my mind. Don't let myself to occupy to receive other teachings or any other idea." So this story is quite short, but it's a very good story, can give us very good tips. We need to empty our mindset in order we can feel other thoughts or any kind of teachings and any kind of learning. So that's a very short story. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time. Thank you.